Yes, I'm Gabriel. I was born in the US but raised in Brazil, living in Belgium for 7 years now.
I'm Marisa Cabal, I'm from Spain. I work with Busy Rocks.
I'm Tuur Marinus, I'm from Belgium.
I'm Franziska, I'm from Austria.
And we come to present the Dominoes and Butterflies, which is a piece that happens all in a big chain reaction. So one movement always leads to the next, one body kind of falls into the other, that falls into the other, that falls into the other in a kind of perpetual chain.
So we are only 5 dancers on stage, and it's we have to solve the problem of making the chain continuous all the time, and how to replace, how to use forces, use objects in that sequence.
Maybe it's interesting to say that I guess the starting point was that we watched the video Der Lauf der Dinge by the Swiss artists Petra Fischli and David Weiss, which sort of triggered an interest in us to work with principles that we got attracted to from there in our bodies ourselves. I think there's like some sort of game on humor played, because in Der Lauf der Dinge it's objects hitting one another, which creates a sense of as if those objects would have an aim, so in a way they take on like human, I don't know, traces, and in a way what we're doing is we have a subjecthood ourselves, pretending to be objects.
We start playing this game very mechanically, very simply, so I think that gives space for the audience to really understand what the rules of the game are, and throughout the piece we start not breaking it apart, but let's say expanding the realm of reactions that we have within each other, from a more mechanical to something more that travels through air, or that pretends to be electric or magnetic.
I thought it was especially enjoyable during the creation to make like the most crazy interactions, but that did make it really kind of a thriller or a pain in the ass to perform. Like, it's technically quite difficult. So.